Do you need a recipe for your next family gathering or barbecue? I have the perfect dish for you. We are making a pesto tortellini pasta salad. This recipe is simple and easy because it has 5 ingredients and it will be done in no time. You guys ready to get started? Let's go. For this recipe, you will need cherry tomatoes, fire roasted red peppers, cheese tortellini pasta, mozzarella pearls, and basil pesto. Today I made my own, but if you're in a rush or you would like it already pre-made, just head over to your local Price Chopper and pick some up. First, you'll want to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Then you will add in your tortellini and you're going to cook it according to the instructions on the package, which is about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, you will then drain and run it briefly under some cool water and set aside in a bowl. Now that we have our tortellini already cooked and cool, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. That means we're going to drain and chop our fire roasted red peppers, and we're going to halve our tomatoes. So now we're going to add the peppers, the tomatoes, and mozzarella pearls in, toss it, and then add the pesto and toss again. You want to give it a good stir so that everything is coated with that mozzarella and the pesto. And now you're ready to serve it. You can serve it chilled or room temperature. Either way, it's gonna taste amazing. Thank you all for joining me in my kitchen today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.